Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical replacement filter, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from replacement filter, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best replacement filter from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AprilAire 213. Replacement filter for AprilAire Whole House Air Purifiers Healthy Home Allergy. The AprilAire 213 replacement filter is a premium, genuine filter designed specifically for AprilAire Whole House Air Purifiers, including models 1210, 1620, 2210, 2216, 3210, 4200, and others with upgrade kits. Manufactured in the USA, this MERV 13-rated pleated synthetic fiber filter effectively traps common airborne allergens such as dust, pollen, mold spores, pet dander, bacteria, and dust mites to create a healthier indoor environment. Featuring patented AprilAire self-seal technology, it ensures minimal air bypass for optimal filtration performance. The filter measures a nominal 20 into 25 into 4 inches and installs effortlessly. With the unique AprilAire interlock rail system, just unpack, slide in, and close the door, with no assembly required. Lightweight and reliable, this replacement filter supports cleaner air and promotes better lung health. Proudly partnering with the American Lung Association. Keep your home allergy-free and breathe easier with the AprilAire 213 replacement filter. Number 2. PuroAir 400 replacement filter HEPA filters up to 99.9% of smoke, pollen, dust, and common household pollutants. Breathe cleaner, healthier air with the PuroAir 400 replacement filter, a powerful HEPA filter engineered to remove up to 99.9% of smoke, pollen, dust, pet dander, and VOCs from your home. Designed with a 3-layer filtration system, pre-filter, HEPA filter, and activated carbon, this filter captures particles up to 700 times smaller than a human hair, ensuring superior indoor air quality. Backed by independent lab testing in an ISO 17025 certified facility, the PuroAir 400 filter is scientifically proven to reduce common allergens, improve sleep, and support overall well-being. Each filter includes PuroAir's exclusive Carbon Tech layer for advanced odor and VOC control. Easy to install and precision-engineered to fit your PuroAir purifier, this professional-grade filter is trusted by over 3 LAC families. With a 100-day clean air guarantee and dedicated UA-based customer support, the PuroAir 400 replacement filter is your go-to solution for fresh, clean air every day. Say goodbye to allergies and hello to a healthier home. Number 3. A.O. Smith Clarium Filter Replacement 2-Pack. A.O. S200RR. Upgrade your water quality with the A.O. Smith Clarium Filter Replacement 2-Pack, a powerful and reliable solution designed to ensure clean, great-tasting water straight from your tap. These genuine A.O. Smith replacement filters are specifically made for the clean water filter 2-stage A.O. US200 system and are WQA certified to NSF standards 42, 53, and 401, ensuring top-tier filtration you can trust. Each Clarium filter is engineered to reduce up to 99% of 78 harmful contaminants, including lead, mercury, asbestos, chlorine, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and more, protecting your household from both visible and invisible water impurities. Easy to install with no plumbing required, this 2-pack provides extended coverage and peace of mind. Featuring carbon-based filtration, these compact yet powerful filters remove contaminants you can see, smell, taste, and those you can't. For optimal performance and continued contaminant removal, always use certified A.O. Smith filters. Enjoy safer, cleaner water every day with A.O. Smith's trusted filtration technology. Number 4. Frigidaire EPTW FU1 Pure Source Ultra 2, refrigerator water filter replacement and Keep your water pure and your family safe with the Frigidaire EPTWFU1 Pure Source Ultra 2 refrigerator water filter replacement set of 2. These genuine Frigidaire filters are NSF and WQA certified to reduce up to 99% of harmful contaminants, including chlorine, taste and odor, lead, mercury, asbestos, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, and more. Made with carbon fiber, they not only enhance the taste of your water but also provide a reliable, cost-effective alternative to bottled water, supporting both your health and sustainability efforts. Easy to install and designed to fit a wide range of Frigidaire models, these filters feature the recognizable berry-colored design and genuine filter seal so you know you're getting the real deal. Don't risk your fridge or your health with counterfeits. Trust Frigidaire for long-lasting, fresh-tasting water with every sip. Protect your home and the planet by cutting down on plastic waste, all while keeping clean, refreshing water flowing. Smart, safe, Frigidaire. Number 5. PuroAir Purifier Filter Replacement Fresh Starter Pack Deodorization HEPA Filters. Keep your indoor air fresh and clean with the PuroAir Purifier Filter Replacement Fresh Starter Pack, designed specifically for the PuroAir Mega AP1512HH. This one-year replacement filter pack includes 1 true HEPA filter and 2 carbon pre-filters, offering a powerful combination to tackle airborne pollutants and household odors. The true HEPA filter captures 99.97% of airborne allergens, including particles as small as 0.3 microns, making it ideal for those with allergies or asthma. The carbon filters effectively reduce odors and harmful gases, keeping your space smelling fresh. Designed with convenience and performance in mind, the HEPA filter lasts up to 12 months, while the carbon filter should be replaced every 6 months. Breathe easy knowing your air purifier is working at peak efficiency with authentic PuroAir filter replacements. Improve your air quality and ensure long-lasting performance. This starter pack is your all-in-one solution for a healthier home environment. Clean air starts here with PuroAir. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.